Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to buy Roblox Premium. So log into your account, alright, and then click on the Roblox icon at the top of the page, right? And then select Buy Premium from the drop-down menu. And choose the premium subscription plan that you want. There are different tiers, and follow the prompts to enter the payment information, credit card, PayPal, etc. Review your order and confirm your purchase. Once completed, you will have Roblox Premium benefits. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.